Protect the area before you enter into scene. Click on the barrier tape button from ceiling tapes. Select crime scene tape and click near the compound wall. Show impressions. Recollection process. Impressions made by footprints, tires and tools can easily be destroyed during a preliminary crime scene search. Impressions can be easily destroyed, so they should be photographed immediately upon discovery. An example of a two-dimensional impression would be a bloody footprint left on a hard floor. An example of three-dimensional impression would be a tire print left in mud. Place a scale in the photograph at the same depth as the impression, and photograph at a 90-degree angle. Photograph each print. Collection process. Prepare plaster or other casting material and make it a plaster impression of each print. First, place the tag. Label the photograph. Mark the impression and scale the measurement. Select the L scale from the Detection button in the Tools tab. Click to place the scale. Photograph now. Click on the Storage Kit button from the Tools tab. Select the Casting Storage box. Right-click on the Toolkit icon to place the selected storage material. Click on the Collection button from Tools tab. Select the casting frame and click on the impression to collect it. Click on the Detection button from the Tools tab. Select the oil sprayer and click on the impression to spray it. Click on the Collection button from the Tools tab. Select the casting material and click on the impression to pour it. Click on the Detection button from the Tools tab. Select the mesh and click on the impression to place it. Click on the Collection button from the Tools tab. Select the casting material and click on the impression to pour it. Air dry and package the evidence. When it is nearly dry, scratch your initials, date, and exhibit number on the back of the cast. Also scratch or mark a directional arrow pointing north on the back of the cast. Let the material dry for 10 seconds. Click on the object to turn it upside down. Click on the Detection button from the Tools tab. Select the water sprayer and click on the impression to spray it. Post-collection process. Wrap each cast separately using corrugated paper and place in a well-padded box or container. Do not remove dirt adhering to the cast. Seal and label the container, including your initials, the date, and the exhibit number. Click on the Glove button from the Collection tab. Now click the object to collect it. Then, click on the Storage Kit to store the object. Evidence added. Click on the Sealing Tapes buttons from Tools tab. Select the sealing tape and click on the storage material to seal it. Evidence dispatched. Click on the glass door to enter into the crime block. Protect the area before you enter into scene. Click on the crime scene tape from the sealing tapes. Click on the door to open. Fingerprint recollection process. Generally, fingerprints and impressions left by other parts of the body have been used to establish identity. Caution should be taken to prevent destroying latent prints. The following are measures to ensure that crime scene latent prints are protected. Examine all evidence visually and with a laser or an alternate light source before using any other latent print development process. Photograph latent prints developed with fingerprint powders before lifting them. Collection process. The color of the powder should contrast with the color of the surface. Palm prints should be taken on only one side of a separate card, not on the reverse side of a fingerprint card, or on the reverse side of a card that has a recorded impression on the other side. White adhesive can be used on non-porous wet and dry surfaces, also used with chemical enhancement methods, and of fingerprint powder. First, place the tag. Label the photograph. Photograph now. Click on the Storage Kit button from the Tools tab. Select the padded backers. Right-click on the toolkit icon to place the selected storage material. Click on the Collection button from the Tools tab. Select the white lifting tape to collect the latent print. Post-collection process. On porous surfaces, porous items are treated with chemicals to develop latent prints. Photographs of latent prints will be retained at the laboratory for comparison to suspects. Place the object in the storage kit. Evidence added. Evidence dispatched.